Every business can benefit from a CRM, or Customer Relationship Management tool. CRMs help you stay on top of ongoing conversations with customers and prospects. Your CRM tracks your sales pipeline. A sales pipeline will help you predict revenue, track your leads, simplify sales, and define your marketing strategy. ActiveCampaign helps businesses of all sizes with their marketing and sales processes. So we know not every business feels prepared to jump into a full platform-based CRM. Enter our free CRM template. This spreadsheet template will help you define your sales process, prioritize ongoing conversations, and prepare to close more deals. The CRM template is based on some of the most useful features of our ActiveCampaign CRM and provides an overview into the types of information you may want to collect for your pending deals. It begins with a dashboard. This will aggregate all of the important information you capture in your CRM template, including the total potential value of your sales pipeline, how much revenue you've won, the number of activities you've tracked, and the total number of contacts. The Template tab is where the work gets done. This is where you'll store all of the important information about your ongoing conversations. This includes contact and deal information, deal value, pipeline stage, lead information, and ongoing activities. The more information you track, the easier it becomes to prioritize and work your pipeline. Let's run through a quick example. An insurance agency sells many types of policies, including auto, home, renters, and life insurance. With so much to track, our CRM template will keep us organized. First, we enter the deal title. Be sure to name your deals something unique that will help you find them later. Ryan reached out about an auto policy for his 2015 Toyota Corolla, so we'll include that in the title. Next up, the lead status. We've included commonly used statuses to help you get started. We'll mark this deal as in progress. Next, enter additional information about your contact, including their email address, phone number, and if they're part of a larger account. We're just selling to Ryan for now, so we'll just enter his name. The deal value is the potential sale amount, so we'll enter the cost of the annual policy, $1,500. The actual revenue from this purchase is $1,200. We'll enter that as well. Now, the stage. Pipeline stages indicate where you are in the conversation. There are several stages. We've moved past the contact stage and onto the qualifying stage with Ryan. Qualifying means this is a new contact and you're learning more about them and determining their level of interest in your product. So we'll update that field. Our sales representative, Shelley, is working this deal. Shelley talked to Ryan today and updated the lead temp from cold to warm. Shelley can now use this spreadsheet to update and track Ryan's lead source. He was referred by a friend. Now Shelley can update the last contact date, the last activity type, her plans for future contact, and the total number of touches. Lastly, the deal description gives Shelley a place to keep her notes related to the deal. Ryan mentioned he might be interested in bundling renter's insurance for his apartment. Let's make a note. Now that Shelley's completed entering Ryan's information, we can go back to the dashboard to check it out. As you can see, all of the information that we've added has been updated in this dashboard. Keeping track of your sales pipeline with our free CRM template will improve overall insights into your sales and marketing processes. Feel free to personalize this template to best fit your business. Add or remove pipeline stages to match your process. Update lead sources to reflect where you get your leads. This template is for you to modify and make your own. And when you're ready for a full CRM, this spreadsheet will make it simple to get started. You'll already have your sales pipeline and procedures down. You'll be able to recreate your pipeline in ActiveCampaign and automate future touchpoints with ease.